All right, thanks for joining me. Got a quick home maintenance tip video for you today. When was the last time you cleaned out your bathroom ceiling fan? You know that little switch on the wall that you turn on and it takes all that moisture from your shower out of the bathroom, preventing mold, mildew, all that good stuff. Unfortunately, the shower fan or the bathroom fan takes a hit over time. Check this out. Not only the cover gets dirty, but the actual unit, the fan motor, gets pretty filthy too. So we're going to be cleaning this up, and hopefully this video can help you out. You want to do this regularly to make sure, obviously with enough buildup there, you could possibly have a fire hazard. So we're going to unplug it first if it does indeed have a plug, and it might not. It might be hardwired into the ceiling itself or the wall itself. So I just have a vacuum cleaner here, which is not super effective because this stuff is moist, because it's build up with moisture over time. It actually is harder to just suck up. It's just not free dirt. So I have a kind of the end of a broom there. You could see very soft bristle, but hard enough to kind of scratch some of that stuff off without damaging any of the parts. So we're going to get all that loosened up, knocked off the cover and the motor itself, and we'll vacuum that up. Make sure you rinse it off really well. You can even pop this piece through the dishwasher. It's all plastic and the metal, a little bit of metal, and then plug it back in. Make sure everything is dry, of course. The cover is dry before you put it back on. And the clips kind of go in like this. Obviously, you may have a different model or a different type of setup, but that is basically how you do it. And we'll put everything back. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to get that cleaned out regularly. Hopefully this video has helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself home projects like this. Thanks for joining me.